Hello. In this video, I will give you a quick tour of the Witlingo Mobile App. The purpose of the app is to let you send notifications quickly when you are in a hurry or on the go. It's important to remember that the app isn't intended to replace the full web portal. Instead, it's streamlined by design to help you quickly send notifications on the go. Also, important to remember is that while the app lets you send one-time notifications to everyone in the community, as well as to specific individuals, it does not support tagging or scheduling notifications. To send a notification, click on the notification icon. Type your notification text. Select your channels, and then send, and done. Now, let me tell you about shortcuts. A shortcut is a pre-constructed notification that you can send by just selecting it. Let's say you send a notification once a day to let residents know that the mail is in. With the mobile app, you can do this in literally 3 clicks. Let me show you. I click on the Witlingo app, I click on Mail, and then I click on Send. And I am done. It's sent. To create a shortcut, just click on the plus sign. Type the shortcut name, then the notification message. Select the channels, and then click on Create. And now, whenever the plumber is in, you can, with 3 simple clicks, send a notification to let everyone know. Note also that the app lets you view responses from residents. You can also view the settings on members. Note that the only thing you can do on the app when it comes to members is to change their channels. If you want to change other details, use the full web portal. And that's it. If you need help, feel free to send us an email at support@witlingo.com. Thank you.